Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful ways to cut your hairs like this. So first, cut the hairs in the front using the scissor like this and then cut it from the between. Now on the sides, fix it by putting it in the slanting way like this. Cut it carefully. Here you need some professional with you to cut the hairs like this. Now roll the hairs using this stick. Fold it like this and slant it. Now roll the hairs like this and fix it from the sides again and your hairstyle is ready. Next, cut the hairs on the sides by putting it from the sides like this. Cut it in a simple way. Now cut it from the between by making the space like this. Now blow it using the hair dryer. Now roll it and then curl it a little bit using the straightener. Fix it and it's ready. Next, cut the hairs like this in the front using the scissor. Cut it in a line. Now cut it from the between like this by making the space. Now roll it using the hair straightener like this little bit and give the curls. Now fix it and it's ready. Next, cut the hairs from the front like this by fixing the comb in the middle. After that, we will cut it from the sides in the upper part like this. Now from the sides, we will cut it in the same manner. After that, we will cut it like this from the sides by leaving 1 more inch from the side, one by one like this from the sides again. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Now give it a shape by cutting it using the scissors and it's ready. Next, take 2 strands of hair and cut it like this. Now cut it from the left side and the right side cut it together. Now cut it from the top like this in the slanting way. Roll it and give it a shape and make it fluffy like this. Now give it a shape using the straightener and it's ready. Next, cut the hairs from the front by putting the scissor like this by tilting it little bit. So now cut it from the all sides in the front. Now by cutting it little bit from the triangle shape like this, make the space in the between and give it a perfect shape and it's ready. Next, using the scissor, we will cut the hairs in the slanting way like this using the scissor. Tilt it little bit and then cut it. Now from all the sides, cut it little bit in the same manner. Now make the space in the between and cut it from the sides and it's ready. You can hold it using the straightener like this and give it a shape and it's done. Next, we will cut the hairs in the slanting way. So first tilt it little bit like this and cut it, and then in the other half we will follow the same process. We will go downward towards this like this and it's ready. Next, cut the hairs in the front using the strands by strand like this. Cut it little bit very carefully. Now tilt it little bit upwards and cut it. Now make the space in the between by cutting the scissors and then fold it using the hair straighteners and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.